Hello, good day to all of you. I am Dr. Arlene Opina, and today I'm going to show you how to add questions taken from your test bank to your midterm or to your quizzes. So the first thing to do is to log on to your account, Canvas, and then on the left side you will see their quizzes. Click it. Okay. And then click Add Quiz. And then on the detail here, on the name, you put there the title of your quiz. Maybe COLA 11 midterm exam. And then here on your instruction, maybe you can put there, choose the correct answer or whatever instruction you have there. And for the question, what you will do is to click New Question Group. From there, you will decide how many questions will be taken from here. So, I'd like to take 5 questions from my bank. And then, I'll link it to my question bank. I have a lot of question banks here, but I'd like to take this APA 7th edition. There are 13 questions here, but I will only choose 5. And then, click Select Bank. And then create group there. So I have already the APA 7th edition with 5 questions taken from it. So my next step is to get another one, new question group. But this time I will only choose one matching type question, but that question has 5 points. So I will put here 5 points, but I will only pick one question. So it's going to be a matching type there. Okay, select question. And then create group. Now I have already 10 points. I will create another new question group. And this time, I will pick 35 questions. Okay, with 1 point each. And I will take it from my midterm exam, this one. Because there are 48 questions, but I will only choose 35. And then click Select Bank and create the group. Now I have already 45 questions. And finally, my last set will be 5 questions with 1 point each. And this time, I'll take it from, okay, this one, culture, material, or symbolic. I have selected this bank and then create the group. Now you will see I have 5, 10, plus 35, 45, and plus the last one which is 5. And now I have my new set. So I have 50 questions now, and I think I am ready. So I just have to click Save or click Save. Click Save, or you can say click Save and Publish. Okay. So there, I'm ready. But this time, oh, why do I have only 46 points? I should have 50. Wait, maybe something went wrong. I'll have to edit it. I'll check. Questions. Oh, here. Edit. So if I must edit, I will just click there. I have to put here 5 questions. So again, I'll update it. So let me check again. Save. Now, I have 50 points overall. Now, if you want to put the date of your exam, then you can have it here in the edit. You put when will you give the tests. So, they can only see once after each attempt. Let the students see the correct answers. Maybe on February 4, okay, or February 4, and then done, and then show one question at a time, and I will open it today up to tomorrow. So it's safe. Now my students are now ready to take the test. Thank you very much for watching.